Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Myles. Today I want to share with you and tell you how you can instantly make money by investing in real estate. I'm going to give you a real life example on how I instantly made $30,000 just like that, starting with investing in real estate. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Myles. I am a professional mixed martial arts fighter. I fought a bunch of times in the UFC. I'm fighting in Bellator right now. And long story short, I basically have just been saving my money since 2012. I've been buying real estate, rental properties that produce cash flow, and just been building that portfolio. We love talking about fighting and finance here. And today, since Christmas is around the corner, everybody's spending some money. Hopefully today I can show you and give you some tips on how to make some money. Now every day when I wake up, I love to get on places like Zillow on my phone. I love to look on Craigslist because I'm always hunting for a deal. I'm always looking for that next deal. In my opinion, no matter what market it is, whether it's a good market, whether the market's down or it's straight, you can always make money and you can always find deals. But the first thing you have to do is you have to get out there and look. This story begins with me finding a deal while I was looking on Facebook, out of all places, right? Facebook, you see some crazy stuff on there for sale, from this piece of pizza that only had one bite taken out of it, and you could buy it, but you need to do it quick before it gets eaten all the way to this casket for sale with only one owner. But this particular day, I was rolling through Facebook and I seen a listing that said house for sale, $40,000, and I immediately clicked on it. After doing some further review on the property and just looking it up, it turns out that this property was in an area close to where I invest. Now, when you're buying real estate, location is always number one. And in my opinion, you find an area that you like, an area that you get good returns on, that you understand, and you go hard at that area. You buy multiple properties in it. Now, this area that the house was for sale in, it was borderline right to the spots that I usually buy rental properties in. So I was interested. After doing further research on it, I looked up this property and the buyer bought it back in 2002 for $73,000. And now here it is listed for $40,000. We immediately contacted the seller and got the story behind it. Long story short, after talking to the seller, he purchased this property 10 plus years ago and he planned on living in it. Now, after buying it, he rehabbed it up, put new nice bathrooms in it, redid the roof. You know, it's a nice property. It was 3 bedrooms, it's 1 bath, and it's got a nice backyard. So he bought it. He originally planned to live there, but life threw him a curveball. He ended up renting it out to a friend, and after years of the friend staying there, they had a negotiation that the friend was actually going to buy it on a certain land contract terms. But they had a falling out, and the friend basically stopped paying rent, stopped returning his phone calls. And now this seller, he owned another business and he wanted to focus on that. So he didn't have time to deal with his friend, this property that was costing him money every month. So he just wanted to get rid of it. Thus why he just listed it on Facebook emotionally for $40,000. So we contacted the seller and told him, hey, we got cash to move on this thing. What's the best price you could do? And he came back with $30,000 cash. He would sell it to us. Now, considering the property might have needed to be evicting somebody from it and we didn't see the inside of it, there's a little bit of risk involved. So we told the seller, look, we can do 20 grand cash. We'll close on it. We'll get this thing out of your hands. We'll deal with it. We'll take it over. The seller didn't like that. He basically said, nope, sorry, can't do. Now, keep in mind that this story is happening during this pandemic. I mean, this was recently, so there's been no evictions. So there's a lot more risk as a landlord or an investor, because who knows how long these people might be squatting in the property? Who knows how tore up the inside might be of this property? So that's where we came up with that $20,000 number. It basically mitigated all of our risk. If we got it for 20 grand, you know, if we had to fix it up, we had to put money into it, we had to evict somebody, we could still make a great return on the property, even factoring all that risk in. So the seller said no. He basically was like, hey, can't do it. We walked away. We kept our money in our pocket. Now fast forward a couple weeks later, the property didn't sell yet, and the seller came back to us and said, look, I'll do the $20,000, fine. And that's it. But I want to get this thing closed because I'm tired of it. I want to get it out of my hands. And we were, hey, happy. Let's do it. Let's rock and roll. So we signed it up, got it under contract, purchased it, all in. Actually, it was right around $22,000 because we had to pay some closing costs And right before closing, there were some taxes that needed to be paid on it. And we just decided, you know what, we'll pay the extra $1,200, $1,300 in taxes that we don't want to lose a deal over. So boom, we purchased this property, $22,000 all in. We did our research on this property, and being very conservative, this home is worth $55,000 as is right where it's at right now. It's probably worth a little bit more, but I always like to weigh on the terms of a little less, so that way we really can't be surprised, and anything extra is just extra money. Let me know below, guys, if anybody out there has found a great deal on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, online, anywhere, maybe even at a garage sale where you knew as soon as you were buying it, you were getting it at a price that, man, that you were making instant money on it. Drop that comment and let me know. Now you might be asking yourself, how did you make $30,000 instantly? You know, that's what we're talking about. That's what this video is about. Well, when you buy this property, when we did at $22,000 and it's worth $55,000, that $32,000, that's instant equity, it's called. That's the beauty of real estate. You can buy properties and find deals, and if you get them for that $22,000 and they're worth $55,000, man, you just made that $30,000+ in equity. You can find these deals, these motivated sellers, and that's what we did with this one. So instantly, $30,000+ to our equity. Imagine how long it would take to make 30 grand. That'd take, on a 9 to 5, depending on your job, hourly, take a long time. Guys, make sure to smash that thumbs up button and the subscribe button, because the best part is it's free and only takes a second. We got a hold of the renters that were in the property, and we basically talked to them one-on-one. Had our property manager go over there face-to-face, explain the situation that's going on, talk to them, and after kind of getting on the same page with them, they really wanted to stay there. They weren't looking to squat or anything like that. They just had a falling out with the previous owner. They wanted to move forward. They were willing to pay rent and to basically didn't want to be evicted, didn't want to go through that whole process. So we worked out a lease with them. We told them the rules of the property. We checked out the inside of the property, which it was in fairly good condition. So we got lucky with that. Whenever you're investing in real estate, you have to understand that there's risk versus reward. And now with this deal, with our offer that we made, we knew that we might have to evict somebody. We knew that the inside might be trashed. We knew that we might have to have squatters in there for months, and we might have to pay for the property. We knew that we might have money tied up. These are all risks that can come with a property. But when you're investing, that's investing. You have to make the best decisions that you can with the knowledge and the experience that you have in the moment. We mitigated as much risk as we could by doing our research, running our numbers, and we knew with the offer at $20,000 that the reward outweighed the risk of what we could run into. And here's the best part of this whole story. Put that $30,000 of equity to the side. The best thing about this whole situation is that when this property is rented out, it rents for $800 a month. So after you pay taxes, insurance, you put away some money for maintenance, you factor in some vacancy for when the property won't be rented out. Just like any other business, you have expenses, right? So those are expenses. Now, when you factor in all those expenses, you're still left with $480 a month in cash flow, or $5,760 per year in cash flow. That's mailbox money coming in every month. That's reoccurring income, passive income, whatever you want to call it. And that works out to be, on the money that we put into this property, a 26% return yearly, which is beautiful. If I'm happy with getting maybe a 12% cash on cash return, this property worked out to be a 26% cash on cash return. In other words, that means our money is working super hard for us. We gained $30,000 of instant equity as soon as we purchased it. Our initial $20,000 that we paid for it is still sitting in the property, so that's safe. And we're making $480 or over $5 grand a year, which 26% return on our money, just cash on cash return. Doesn't get much better than that. So we're super happy about this deal. And the whole point of the video, guys, is just there's deals out there. And then the power of real estate, when you find a deal, a motivated seller, man, can you make a lot of money instantly right off tops. So keep searching for those deals, keep smashing thumbs up buttons and subscribing. Make sure to drop a comment. Let me know if anybody found any deals like that out there. And also, guys, make sure if anybody wants a personal one-on-one coaching call, to sign up in the link down in the description below. We can go over anything that you want, from real estate to investing to fighting, mixed martial arts, the best of everything, the best of both worlds. I'm here to help you guys. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.